Hello, this is your guru speaking. Today, high 1467, not quite as high as we wanted. Could be already a monthly level at 1470, 1480. Don't have it on the weekly, but we have 1482 on the daily, so that would be our first daily target, 1482. That should be confirmed with our expert advisor. I'm going to bring it here. Hello, expert advisor. So if we have a confirmation with our expert advisor on 1482, although we don't have it on the weekly, that is a good enough target for selling today. That would be the first target. From there, the market could go to 1374 level, but actually the first support is at 1398. So from a sale 1480 level, the take profit should be on 114 level. Next sell level today, 115, 115.30. I like 115, you see, like 17.25, let's say 115.25. I like that level because from there, the target on the downside, it's 13.98.95, and that fits our daily support we have there. So that would be a nice game going to 15.20, and then the target would be 13.95. Or the opposite, we could first go to 13.95 and then move on to 15.30. There is an intermediate sell on 115.10 level. It's found on the weekly, monthly, and daily. The week remained bullish. I don't have a target on the weekly. Could go as high as 118, so I don't have a preferred target. I would prefer if we correlate with the monthly, which is done at 1640 level. We do have a monthly target. Our expert advisor indicate that 1640 is a likely target on the monthly, and you see above that strong resistance, that possibly monthly reversal at 1680. It's also present on the weekly, so that would be the end game for the month and the week. Of target 1640 to 1680. Intermediate sell level on the week would be 116.10 and 115.80 if it's correlated with the daily, which is the case today. That would be our last sell level, 1579. But it's more likely that we are stopping on 1520. If we get there, it's a great sell. And if we don't and fade away, then our first support will be 1398. So once again, a brief recap. First target to sell today, 1482. If we already made a high, I didn't have it on this 1467, in that case, our first buy target would be 1398. New analysis will be updated later on in the day if that is the case. Second sell target, 1510 level, followed by much better 1520. I hope you will enjoy this trading day and see you on the next analysis.